The Roush reveals even a more capable Bronco R series. Now, this doesn't cost so much more than a Sasquatch package. Now, if you want to give your Ford the appearance that you want, say an uptick in power, performance, something awesome, Roush Performance, just take a look at the company's modified Ranger to see what it means. Now, Roush has worked this magic on the Ford Bronco. As an SUV that recently stunned the world with its rugged builds at SEMA. Take a look at this. Now, the Roush Bronco R Series, available in kit form, of course, is the most powerful Bronco appearance and capable, that is. The R Series, which is compatible with the 2 and the 4-door Broncos, any trim level, folks, regardless of either the 2.3 or the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. This is amazing. Just straight up amazing. Take a look at that. Those wheels are to die for. Wow. Now, Roush promises that the kit takes the super awesome capable Bronco a step farther. The appearance and its capabilities outside the Bronco R Series is livened up with those beautiful hood graphics. Take a look at that. Hopefully we can see the hood graphics, which we really can't see in this video, but we can see the side here. We can see the graphic here on the side. But this is quite epic. From the front, you see the Roush symbol here. Just fantastic. The 4-door Broncos also get a body side graphic. The special Roush wheels were designed specifically for off-road use. And they look quite awesome, big and chunky. Just how you would want it to look. It's fantastic. The wheels are designed for off-road use. Although the all-terrain or mud-terrain tires are not included with your purchase, it's larger capacity, and you can see that the wheels up close is huge, folks. I mean, that's the inside. You can see how that's like highlighted in orange, the netting inside, the foot step that, to come in is also different right here. You can see the wheels are fantastic. And again, you see the exhaust. Awesome. Of course, it gets this beautiful air filtration system that you can see here. It's a larger capacity, increasing durability, maintaining water fording at up to 33.5 inches. The SUV abilities, this enhances its high clearance, the axle back muffler, complete with the removable branded black exhaust tips. Take a look at that. This looks fantastic, folks. Take a look at that exhaust and those black tips. They look fantastic. It's the black branded exhaust. Now moving in, if you look let's take a look inside. Sort of inside, not too many inside pics. But it says right here, it's fantastic. It's equipped with a floor protection kit, off-road recovery kit, waterproof hard case, a recoverable strap, D-links, flashlight, work gloves, center console locking vault to keep your valuables, your guns inside of it. The Roush upgrade comes with the peace of mind. Talking about 36,000 mile limited warranty and a lifetime warranty on the exhaust system. They also throw a certificate of authenticity in the Roush branded R Series crate and collection box. It starts at $6,750 and not much more than a Sasquatch package. And this is over above, of course, the cost of the base vehicle. You get the Roush branded name too, which you can't beat, folks. What an awesome package, folks. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. This is fantastic, folks. And we'll get the frontal view. there that baby is. A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for coming by. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.